This is the story of Valerie Maria Fritz. Daughter, wife, mother, grandmother, great-grandmother, sister, friend,
Hello, welcome to Cooking with OMA. Today, I'm going to make a Hungarian dish, chicken paprikas. Today, I'm going to do some baking. I love to cook, but I love to bake a lot more. Yummy! I must say, it's very tasty. It's yummy. Yummy! Nice and moist. Yummy! Yummy!
Mom, you have had such a profound and positive impact on so many of your Cooking with Oma fans, and it will be a beautiful legacy that you will leave behind.
The beautiful comments that I have been getting from all over the world, which my son read to me, and often I said to him, "Son, this is so beautiful." And lots of times I had tears running down my face. 1927, October 19th, I was born in Hungary, a small little town named Vallói. I was the fourth child in the family. When I was about 12, our doctor decided that I should be going to higher schools. Our doctor arranged for me to leave home and go to a convent. And that's what I was, thinking that I'm going to become a nun. But somehow when I was 15, something happened. I don't know, I suppose it was my calling. 1943, the German soldiers came into our town and they kind of took over. We were Hungarians, but German descent. They said, if we want to go and avoid a communist, we have to be ready. They will supply us with a covered wagon and some horses, 2 horses. So my mama, she decided that she wants to have a better world for her children. Our journey was something that would be very hard to describe every day and every night, and we slept outside, we slept in barns, where the cows were above us, and we were glad that people let us come in. On the way, we had to stop many a times because the planes were coming with bombs. We had to leave our wagon and horses and run into the bushes. We arrived in Austria after 6 weeks. I think we stayed there for 2 years. Found out that we had to leave Austria. We had to go on. We had to go to Germany. In 1950, the Canadian government paid for us, but we had to come and work for 1 year, each and every one of us, for nothing. That was our fare. That's how we came to Canada. And at the end of May, beginning of June, we arrived in Halifax on Pier 21, and from there I went to Toronto and my family went to Lethbridge, so I had to say goodbye to them. So I was a big girl, but it was still sad. Yeah.
How old were you?
23. Where I landed in 1950 on Pier 21 in Halifax, that's where my daughter's fate took her. The times I spent there and the times I was blessed to watch my grandchildren grow up, was just unbelievable. In 1998, when I was visiting, we had a phone call. I used to think, whoever passes our way first, and I thought if he does, I will never stay in this house. I want to move right away. But then the next day, when I woke up and I sat on the Chesterfield, I looked over, and that minute I said, no, I am not selling this house. I'm not going anywhere. It has too many memories, the good and wonderful and happy times that we had together with our family.
We have a special place in each other's hearts. We spent a lot of time together growing up, and we are so close. Anyone that knows her, it would feel very special because there's nobody like her, ever. She is the most generous and kind person that you'll ever meet.
She is an extraordinary woman. She's strong and she's caring and, gives unconditionally. The bravest, sweetest, nicest, most beautiful OMA there ever was. I can tell her anything and she can tell me anything, and that is probably one of the most important things, I think.
I'm very lucky to have a very special OMA. I can hang out with her. She's more than just my grandmother, she's my best friend. She has an awesome sense of humor, and not only that, she's always so concerned with you and concerned with everyone around her. She's very awesome, and as a family, we're very lucky to have her and to have her as a role model for the love and the attitude she brings to life.
OMA is our great-grandma, and we really like her because we love her, and that we really, really love her so much. Why do I love her? Because she takes care of me, and I take care of her. She's really old.
OMA's just such a loving person, and the thing that I love about her most is the way she treats everybody the same. With love and humility, she leads her life, the commitment to doing things the right way for the right reasons. I'm really lucky to have the best mother-in-law in the whole world.
I'm supposed to talk about my mother-in-law. What can I say? When I think of you should be in the dictionary, your picture under grandma. Or I guess in German it's Oma. And everybody knows they can go to you and feel real good.
I want to say about my social life in my little old age. I have friends. I can't drive, but they come and pick me up. We go and play cards. My brother, Mike, he is a wonderful, wonderful brother. He takes me shopping, he takes me to church, and I believe so much in prayers, and I always will.
I believe that prayer works, and she has this direct line to God, and He does listen. All her life she's never complained, never wanted for more, happy with what she was blessed with, no what if onlys, She was just blessed with this beautiful hair and always looked so fashionable, just like something out of a European magazine.
Mom has always been there for us to offer her unconditional love and support at all times. Everybody that knows her loves her. She always waves to us from the window until we're completely gone.
Everyone that talks about and knows our mother and our OMA speaks about love.
Chicken paprikash is almost done. Yes, thank you, my darling. I am just the luckiest OMA in the world.
this is Oma. I just wanted to wish all the mothers, grandmothers, great grandmothers a very, very happy day and let you know I think about you and about all my other friends, and I love you all.